Hi guys, I have here the Volvo wiper blade. So I'm trying to replace the rubber by using all this refill over here. I think we have to pry off the end cap here. So as you can see, there's one end with the word Volvo, the other end without. So I think it should be pry off somewhere around here. Let's do it. As you can see, I've removed here. You just need to pry the edge upwards and then slide it up. Then you can just remove this rubber. Let's see, I think there's a catch over here. Let's try to remove the one over here as well. There you go. Yep, as I had expected. Can remove it easily now. Not to worry about the paint that was being removed by the screw. It's okay. Then we just have to measure the length and then insert back. Alright, done. So I've removed the old rubber blade and replaced with the refill. I hope this tutorial, this guide is able to help you to save some money. Thanks guys.